Let's look at this JAMB question on the board. All right? This is 2023 JAMB question in physics. Now the question is this. Listen, please. A load of 5 Newton gives an extension of 0.56 centimeter in a wire which obeys Hooke's law. Okay? The extension caused by a load of 20 Newton is dash. Do you understand? A wire gives 0.56 centimeter when a load of 5 Newton is applied. Okay? Now, if that wire obeys Hooke's law, that is to say, assuming Hooke's law is obeyed, what is now going to be the extension when you apply a load of 20 Newton? All right? Then, remember the Hooke's law in the last video, that force varies proportional directly to extension. Okay? Then force, remove the sign and put the sign of proportionality. You have constant and E. Do you understand? Now, from the question here, what are the data we have here? The first force gave us 5 Newton, which is the load. Remember, load and force is the same. All right? Then the extension here, which is extension 1, is 0.56 centimeter. Do you understand? Then the second force, which is F2, is 20 Newton. Okay? Then extension, the E2 is unknown, and that is what we are looking for in the question. Now, listen. Assuming Hooke's law is obeyed, this here is the Hooke's law. Do you understand? Now, if you look at these data we have here, constant is not given in the question. So we are going to look for the constant here. All right? Since it's the same wire, the constant is what we are going to apply here to find the extension. Do you understand? The same wire that gave us this extension, okay? When the load of 5 Newton is applied, that same wire is used on the load of 20 Newton. What is now the extension? So since it's the same wire, the constant is the same. Do you understand? Now if you look here, in the options we have here, the options, all of them are in centimeter. You understand? All of the options here, option A, B, C, and D, all of them are in centimeter. So there's no need to convert this one to meter. Let's work it with the centimeter. Do you understand? Now, our F1 is equal to 5 Newton. E1 equal to 0.56 centimeter. Then F2 equal to 20 Newton. E2 equal to unknown. Do you understand? Now, like I said earlier, we are going to find the value of the constant since it is not given here in the question. Then F, solving with this, F is equal to KE. Then we are looking for K. Make K the subject of formula by dividing both sides by extension. All right? If extension cancels extension, therefore, K is equal to force over extension. Do you understand? Now, our K is equal to force over extension. What is the value of force? The force here is 5 Newton. Divided by extension here is 0.56 centimeter. All right? 5 divided by 0.56. That will give us 8.92. All right? Newton per centimeter. That here is the constant. Now, since the constant is this, and we are working the same experiment here on the same wire. Now, let's use this constant here to find the value of extension. All right? Now, when you now apply the force of 20 Newton on the same wire, all right, what is now going to be the extension? And that is what we are looking for here in the question. Then, our F is equal to KE. All right? Remember, our K is equal to 8.92 Newton per centimeter. All right? Which we are going to apply here. Now, we are looking for E. Divide both sides by K. Divide this one by K. K, we cancel K. Therefore, extension is equal to F over K, which is equal to the F we have here is 20. Divide by K, the K we have here is 8.92. All right? So here, 20 divided by 8.92, that will give us 2.24. Okay? 2.242 centimeter. Let's bring it to these two decimal points here. 2.24 centimeter. That is the answer we have here. All right? Then option A is 1.12 centimeter. Option B is 2.14 centimeter. Option C is 2.24 centimeter. Option D is 2.52 centimeter. All right? So here is 2.24. C is the answer to the question. All right? Please, I hope this video helped you a lot to understand the concept of this calculation. All right? Please, make sure you watch the last video that comes before this one. Okay? Thank you and God bless you. Please, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More videos are going to come on in this channel.